Are you getting dangerous and or deceptive website warning on Google Chrome while browsing? And you want to turn this off to be able to visit the website? Then look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dangerous and deceptive website warning in Google Chrome. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. On mobile, open Google Chrome and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, tap on Safe Browsing and select the option No Protection Not Recommended. Tap on Turn Off, and now when you try to visit that website on Google Chrome on mobile, you'll be able to access that page. But keep in mind that when this is turned off, Google Chrome won't be able to protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. You can always come back here and enable safe browsing. On PC, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down till you see Settings, click on Settings. At the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a little and click on Security. Here you'll be able to follow the same steps. Select No Protection Not Recommended and click on Turn Off. This will turn off protection on Google Chrome PC and you'll be able to visit those sites again. So thank you for watching this video on how to turn off dangerous and deceptive site warning in Google Chrome, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.